right, so greetings again from my car. Let's see. So today's Saturday. I feel like I'm always vlogging on Saturdays, but honestly, like during the week, I have no time whatsoever. I have been wanting to create like a day in the life of me, like working 2 jobs, the kids, and school. It's just impossible. Like every time I try, I always forget to pick up the camera, and it's because I'm so busy all the time. But anyways, it's Saturday and I don't have the kids this weekend, and I'm greeting you guys from my brand new car, mommy car, I guess you can call it. Let's call it that, because this one is a big one, and I think I'm gonna insert a clip of how it looks from the outside to the inside here, so you guys see. I love this SUV. I feel like we have a lot of space in here for me and the kids and everything in between, because we all know, awesome mom, that we need a big car like this, especially when you have kids. My kids in my old car were always fighting, and when I say fighting, they were always fighting next to each other. I had a Mazda 3. It was big, but the thing is that the kids were so close to each other in the back that they were always fighting. Little one was always hitting the big one, and it was always a fight. And this one, they're like separate, like close enough, but separated enough where they are not hitting and fighting with each other. So I am absolutely in love with this. This one, as you can tell, has a little cooler under the kids' seats, so it's so much easier to storage waters and juice for the kids when I'm on the road, especially when I have them on the weekends. We always go out, always doing something, because I like to do that with them. I like to have like that one day where we don't spend it at the house, and just to take them out of the routine and show them new things. So I think this is just perfect. It has enough space in the back. It has, you can put the third row, or you can use it as the trunk. I'm absolutely in love with this. So enough about the car. I am on my way to my sister's house, which I am not going to show you the outside or the inside, because it's something good and exciting and brand new coming soon to you guys from me. So I'm not gonna show you yet, but let's just say that I'm absolutely in love with her house. I do not want to leave. Every time I go there, I don't want to leave. I think I want to stay there all the time, but I have to go to my own house. So I'm gonna go pick her up. We have a few things to do today, so we'll see how much I can vlog. Hopefully enough where you guys have a good vlog, but we'll see. Oh, okay. But yeah, I am on my way to pick her up. I'll show you guys in a minute my outfit, and yeah, I guess. You okay?
He doesn't want to be a ghost. I can be a ghost. See?
Uh-oh, careful, please. Dominic? Dominic, look, where are we?
Farm?
The farm.
And we can go that way or that way. And there's a long way to go over there, right?
Yeah.
A long.
Yeah.
And let's go see the one with
Okay, baby, we have to go this way.
Well, this one is heavy.
That one is heavy.
Yeah. Oh my God. Chariot. Chariot, mommy.
No, it's not. That one is perfect. This is like one for you, one for your brother. What are you doing?
I'm trying to get to high.
Come on. Come on, let's take a picture. Come on, baby. Jace?
Play some more in the playground.
You can come back and play, but we need a picture.
Why?
Because.
Because what? Because what, mommy? Mommy.
Yeah. Because we do.
We went to the farm, guys.
Too close to your face.
That better?
Yeah, that's better.
We're going to the on the farm and we're going to eat something hot dog.
We are at the farm, in the farm, right?
Yeah. Just wait a second. Then we need to get some water. I said, wait a second. We need to get some water.
Okay, so what do you want?
Water, 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 water. Water.
Water right now. Okay guys, so it's later at night now and Jace is in bed already, and I'm just gonna show you real quick what I had or what I prepped for Dominic's lunch tomorrow. For school. Wait, puppy, let me show them. I have to show them first. Oh, careful. I don't want you yeah. So he's gonna have a sandwich tomorrow. Lettuce, mayo, and cheese. That's the way he likes it. So I put some fruits here as well.
I like bologna sometimes.
Yeah. Bologna?
Yeah.
You like bologna? Oh, okay. So I'll get you bologna next time. Okay?
Do I like tomorrow?
Yeah.
I know
maybe
tomorrow have school.
Yeah, you do. So I put some grapes here. The one that are,
Because I like bread.
yeah, seedless. I put some watermelon. I got him one of these from the store today. So I'm gonna put that in there. I usually pack like a little snack for him as well. He is having some Oreos this time, and I'm gonna pack him the small ones. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna pack him some of his favorite cereal as well. I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc, and that's it. That's what he's taking with him tomorrow for school. So I guess we're gonna ignore this whole situation here because it's already, like I said, it's already late. It's past 8. Oh, it's 8:10. I had a lot of homework to do. So yeah, I guess I am gonna say goodbye to you guys now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.